Where's the light?
Bro, she's broken.
Come on. Don't know how you're gonna do that. Oh, you f***ing did it. Oh shit.
Ну и чё, мяу? С добрым утром?
I told you it's not a good idea.
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
No. No!
Hello, buddy.
As düşmanım ya. Hoş geldin.
I gotta go, bye! Okay. Bye, I'm leaving!
Playing a game of whack fuck. Whack.
Are you shit me right now? Here you go.
Now who chewed my remote? Dixie? Or Sandy?
You want some bush? You want some?
Guard Chihuahua on duty.
They're just chilling in here. Ah, they're adorable. I'm just gonna shut the door so that way they have some privacy in there.
Start your engine!
So we got this water toothpick.
Oh, goodness.
Brought it here. I think I found it. The space dog. Buddy, are you a space dog for Halloween?
My two kitty cats. My friend. Oh!
Look at all this. Look what you're doing, dude. Get out. Out. That's it. Out. Come on. Come on. Get out. I'm just trying to go to the bathroom. Stop it, man. I need that. What are you doing? Get out of here. What is wrong with you? Lady, door.
She's literally like waiting for her friend.
Oh my god!
First time?
Yeah, you?
No, not my first time.
Being goddamn fat! I just want to be skinny! I want to fit in the little skinny shorts! God fuck.
Oh goodness. He looks like he's got marshmallows on. Pick him up again.
Home for them.
What did you do? I guess you figured out how to get the toilet paper. Jesus Christ.
What's in my coffee?
Oh, your whole leg. Ah. Do you see the
Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now?
Ooh, mommy's coming. Go, run. Get in the cage. Go.
What is wrong? What is wrong? You want some?
Kennel!
Rocky! Oh my gosh.